Hey there, I'm Jen Herman with Jen's Trends, and this video is why I hate Instagram Reels. Yes, I said it. Yes, this is going to be a rant. This is me being passionate and upset and frustrated with this stupid new feature, okay? I try to be supportive, but if you followed me for a while, you know I can be very opinionated, and I am not one to hold back my opinions, so here you go. Welcome to the rant. I am going to warn you that I tend to get a little bit passionate and some explicit language may show up throughout this video, so you may want to put in the headphones or turn down the volume if there's people around that you don't want to hear those things. I will try to keep it as clean as possible, but I make no promises because I am pissed off after trying to do a freaking reel this morning. Okay, so let's get started with why I hate Instagram Reels, which I tried it. I'm trying to be supportive. I'm all like, yay, let's do new things. I'm trying to embrace this, and I'm actually writing a blog post about how to use Instagram Reels. So I kind of tried to do things to purposely break the app so I would be able to say what you can and can't do. So that's probably why I was even more frustrated. But even then, it was really frustrating, okay? So first and foremost, 15 seconds. If you've ever met me, brevity is not my strong suit, okay? If you can say it in 10 words, I can say it in 100 words. So trying to get me into 15 seconds, not so fun. So that was only like 38 takes to try to get what I wanted to say as fast as possible. And I already talk fast as possible into 15 seconds. That sucked. Why 15 seconds, Instagram? Are you freaking kidding me? I'm sure they will change this at some point and give us more time, but 15 seconds is ridiculous. So you can do 3 to 15 seconds for your reels. I don't know why it's such a short time frame, but it is what it is, and we'll just freaking deal with it for now. So first reason I hate it. Second reason I hate it is for me, I'm not good at creating this kind of content. Like I really had to think it out, okay? I really had to plan out what I want to do. I kind of storyboarded it in my mind. So that took planning time, okay? And then I had to set everything up, and I had to stage everything, and I had to start thinking it through. And then I had to film it, and then I had to edit it and everything. So it took me 45 minutes, actually more than that, probably closer to an hour, but at least 45 minutes to do a 15-second video. Okay, I work a full-time job, run a full-time business, I'm a full-time mom, and I'm gonna be starting homeschooling. Who the fuck has time to do 45 minutes for a 15-second video? That is like, is that gonna convert enough? I mean, at the rate that I charge at an hourly rate, is that worth it for me? I don't know. Right now, I don't think it is. Because, yeah, it can take me like 20 minutes to do an Instagram feed post, but that's something I'm used to, and that's 20 minutes. It's 45 minutes to do a 15-second video. This is why Jen doesn't do video. I can't stand this. It's so much work to go into such a tiny little piece of content. Okay, moving on. More reasons why I hate freaking Instagram Reels. Okay, so they have this really cool feature, which sounded like a really cool thing. And it's called a peer or something. I have to verify what it's called. But when you film one clip and then you want to stop it and film the next clip, you can go to that appear feature, and it will put kind of like a faded kind of watermark version of your final clip from the last one. So you can overlay your current camera on top of that one, so you can line them up perfectly. So if you're doing those kind of stop motion videos, you can make sure everything's lined up so it actually looks like it was done really seamlessly. Sounds really cool, right? Not if you moved your camera, which is what I did yesterday. So I was filming something yesterday, and I shot one sequence, stopped, put the camera down, did some things, went to shoot the next sequence, and tried to line it up. Well, now to get forward, backwards, tilt, up, down, what angle? Oh my God, I wasted so much freaking time trying to align it. And because I'm OCD, it had to be perfect, which of course it wasn't perfect because it was impossible to get it back into the same place. So then I was just more annoyed than anything trying to get this thing to line up. So today I got smart and I used a tripod. If you're gonna do it, use a tripod and do not move your camera if you're gonna do those stop motion videos, because once you've moved it, you are never gonna get back to that same place. Those of you on TikTok maybe already know that trick. I don't know. It was something that I was like, oh, this should be really easy to line up. It was not. Use a tripod. Don't move your camera. So, which takes me to the next part. You have to do everything in sequence. This whole concept of what I was trying to do yesterday was like film something, move on, do the next thing, film the next stage, move on, finish the project, do the final vision of it. So I could do kind of like a stop motion. Yeah, no thank you. That was not going well. So it's like one of those things that I really had to film it in sequence, which defeated the whole purpose of the thing I was trying to film yesterday. So that was annoying. And then on top of it, when you are in the app and you film something and you like shows you the clip and you can move to the next and you can add, you know, things to it. You can add text and doodles and stuff. Great. But if you go back to the clip, it doesn't keep all of the doodles and the things you put on it to add to the next clip, which was really freaking annoying. So I found a workaround, and maybe I'm missing something. Maybe you smart people who do these things, whether it's on TikTok or Reels, know more than I do, but this is what I had to figure out, and it annoyed the fuck out of me. So fortunately on Android, I don't know if iOS does this because I'm not an iOS person, but you can download the current clip or the whole sequence before you get to the upload screen. So what I would do is I would film a clip, I would put the doodle, put everything on it that I wanted, and then I would save and download it to my phone. So then I would back up and I would go back and delete, start all over again, and start a new reel, choose that original video with all the doodles and everything I wanted on it, upload it from the gallery, and then film the next clip. Again, not having moved the tripod, not having moved the camera or anything, so that was fun. Film the next clip, put what you want on it, download the whole thing, go back, delete everything, start all over again. Does this not sound stupid? Like, if I want to add all the things to it, why can't I just add the freaking things to it and keep on adding on? Like, I don't know why this is a complicated process. This is one of these moments where I'm like, why didn't they just take some of these features and add them to Instagram stories? Stories is robust. Stories has all these features and functionality that we want that are not available in Reels. Why not just take 2 or 3 of the new Reels features, throw them into stories, and call it a day, and we can take down TikTok and Snapchat all in one freaking platform? Why do we need a new one that doesn't do the things we want it to do? I told you I was gonna rant. I'm so freaking annoyed with this whole process. So that was my workaround, okay? So I would download, save the thing, upload it, do the next clip, download, upload all over again, blah, 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 blah. And the thing is, if you film something and you don't want it, you can go back and delete that clip. But you can't go back and delete other clips. So you can only go back and delete the most recent clip. So if you're filming 10 clips and you realize you want to take out the 5th one, you can't go back and delete the 5th one. You'd have to delete all of them, reshoot them all, or download them all as you're doing them, go back, delete them all, delete the 5th one, and then go back and re-upload 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I mean, holy annoying Batman. Like, this is the most complicated process to upload multiple clips. For me, at least. It was super freaking annoying. So anyways, got the video done. Got it into 15 seconds. Now to figure out what to do with the damn thing, okay? So, okay, I'm finally happy with it. Oh, and I tried pinning text, which worked everywhere else I was doing it, but on this video that I was trying to do it, where you can pin on an Instagram story and you can put like a piece of text like right here, and no matter where the camera goes and moves around, the text stays like right there, and it can come in at any point. You can choose when it comes in. Yeah, wasn't doing that. It was putting it on the video the whole time. So my video has the text on there the whole time instead of for the last series where I wanted to have the text. But whatever, I gave up. I was so annoyed. So even though it was working when I was testing it on little dummy ones, when I went to do a real one, it didn't work the way I wanted it to. So whatever. All right, so then I'm ready to upload, right? So you get to the next screen and you have the option for Reels and you have the option for Stories, okay? So on Reels, you can put in a whole caption. Great, you have 2,200 characters just like you have on Instagram feed posts. Great. You can also put in hashtags. Great. Well, you remember back in the day when this was like, I don't know, years ago, if you went over 2,200 characters, Instagram didn't stop you from writing. And if you went over 2,200 characters, it just didn't post your caption. Yeah. Remember back in the day when if you put more than 30 hashtags, it didn't give you a warning? It just wouldn't post your caption? Yeah. Welcome to Reels, bitches. Put 31 hashtags in there. No caption. Gone. Thank God I copied and saved it because I was planning on breaking it and I was literally trying to test this feature. So I had copied my caption and all the hashtags so I could easily repaste it. But hit upload. Oh, no caption. Had to delete that video. And had to then, thankfully, I had downloaded and saved the whole video before I went to the upload screen. Learned that lesson, thank God. Upload the video to Reels again. Start the process all over again. put the caption on there and delete out the extra hashtags so that it would actually post the caption. So note to self, don't do too many hashtags. You can do up to 30. After that, you get punished and they take away your caption. So other fun facts, you can choose the cover of your video. So it doesn't have to be the first frame, just like any video. You can choose what you want the cover to be. Super easy to do. Just click on it where it says cover, drag the slider. Great, not a big deal. Until you have to re-upload the thing 4 times because you keep breaking everything and you forget to adjust the cover, so you have to delete it again and start all over again. Yeah, happened to me. I literally uploaded this Reels 4 times before I finally got a finished product that I was happy with. So yeah, that's why I'm pissed off. So, okay, so I get the caption on there. Everything's all ready to go. There are no tags. You can't tag people. You can't do location tags. You can mention people in the caption. Yes, you can do that. Yay for that. So did that. And then when you choose to share, it will share it to your Reels. And it has an option where if you want to put it on your feed as well. So they're 2 separate places. If you turn it off of your feed, it will not show up in your feed. It will only show up in your Reels, which means there's a Reels icon on your profile so people could go there and see your Reels, but it would not be on your profile. If you want it on your actual feed that everyone else would see and you want it to appear in the feed of your followers, you have to keep that clicked over. Oh, but here's another fun fact. There's the Reels and the Stories tabs. If you share to Reels and you don't do Stories first, bye-bye, didn't get to share to Stories. So you're going to want to do Stories first. So you're going to, from the top where it has Reels and Stories, you're going to click on the Stories tab. I have a visitor. If you can't tell, she's going to make herself known. You click on the Stories tab. Then from there, you can share to your story. That's it. You can't do anything with it. You can't add stickers. You can't add tags. You can't add anything to it. It just uploads the way it was. So you can't put location tags, you can't tag people, you can't add anything else that wasn't already in there. What is the purpose of this? Like you can't even do any of the fun stickers in Reels that are in Stories. So really? Like talk about annoying. It just, boom, goes to your Stories, done. So that was annoying. So anyways, got it to my Stories, go back to the Reels and then share to Reels and to your feed. Great, uploaded, done, moving on. Made a typo. Tagged the wrong username. No big deal. Let me go in and edit that caption. No, ma'am, can't do that. Once you've uploaded it to Instagram to your feed, you can't edit it. I'm trying to. I'm clicking on the 3-dot button. I'm clicking on the caption. I'm doing everything. You cannot edit it once it has been uploaded to your feed. Delete again, go back, upload the video to Reels, go in, do all the things, check my caption, make sure there's not too many hashtags, make sure I have it spelled properly. Okay, great, now I can upload. So yeah, over 45 minutes, close to an hour, all of these hassles for a 15-second video that I could have filmed way easier within Stories, done the quick film, added a whole bunch of stickers, published it, saved it, and then just uploaded that to my feed. Duh. I mean, granted, that would have cropped it because at least in the feed with Reels, it allows you to keep it in a vertical format. But seriously, holy complicated process, you guys. I literally messaged my group of co-authors on the book because I did the reel about the book, and I was like, I effing hate this, I effing hate this, I effing hate this. Like I was giving them all the reasons why I hated Reels because of all the things I just talked about here in the video. So definitely, have fun with it. Go out there, try it. Maybe they'll fix some of these things. Maybe you have some workarounds that I'm just not smart enough to figure out. Oh, and one more last thing, because everyone's asking about it. Business accounts don't have music. Yeah, you're welcome, which it's fine. We don't have the music sticker. It's all a copyright issue, and it's just the way it is. That's perfectly acceptable if you just come to terms with that fact. But as a result, you don't have music option on a business profile. So if you want to use music, then you have to go to either a creator or a personal profile to get the music feature to be able to do your reels with the music. And then you can upload those. So save those and then upload those because it would contain original audio. And you can upload those to your reel for your business profile. So if you wanted to create them in a different account and then upload them to your business account, you could do that. But of course, now you're going to run the risk of copyright because Instagram has the most stringent copyright laws or regulations of any social media platform. So there's a really good chance that they would flag it for copyright and not let you get any reach out of it anyways, because you used, you know, popular public music that you don't have the rights to use in a business. So more good things. Can you tell I'm really excited about this stupid new feature? All right. I'm sure there's more reasons I'm going to hate it in the long run, and there's lots more I have to do to write up a blog post about this, but I thank you for tuning in for this video. If you want to watch other videos with actual tips and helpful information that don't involve me ranting and getting really upset about new features, please subscribe to this channel and check out all the other videos that I share here on YouTube with tips and tutorials to actually be successful on Instagram and not just complain about it because, you know, I try not to be that person, but sometimes these videos just need to happen and we need to complain about why things are complicated and why Instagram could have made this so much easier. So thank you again for tuning into this video, and I will see you in the next video.